96th Street, sidewalk is still closed. According to the signage, should have opened by March 30th, 2024. But here we are. Still a lack of landscaping around the railway portions of the ITF-West. Still waiting to see this rail electrified and some car testing. Hopefully we'll see that sometime maybe later this year. But the ITF-West station, I don't see any sign of work going on, but it looks probably 95% finished, maybe more. See some signage for ground transport, parking. Back here behind the economy parking garage, and the Avis area is still intact. I think I heard maybe about June, they're going to start transitioning, clearing out of here and heading upstream here towards the ConRAC. Start stocking some of their different cars or rental cars up there. Not seeing any of the people mover cars outside, just under their protected areas here in that maintenance yard. Man, I know they've done some testing. I'd love to catch a day where we can see one passing through on one of the rails. There's a little bit of work going on over here off of 96th Street, I think. A little bit near the railway.